Good morning, students. Students, we were doing adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. We have already done first 3 kinds of adjectives. First, adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity. And third, adjectives of number. Today, we will do the remaining kinds of adjectives. The fourth one is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are used to point out some person or things. It answers the question which one. Look at the table. This, that, this and that are used to point out singular person or thing. These, those. These and those are used to point out plural persons or things. One more thing, this and these both are used to point out the persons or things that are nearby. And that or those both are used to point out the things or persons that are far away. Let me give you example. This pen is mine. This, it is singular, so we have used here this. This pen is mine and this is near also. These pens are mine. These are plural and these are near by. So we have used this and these. Now let us see about that and those. That pen is mine. Those pens are mine. Now they are far away. Pens are far away. So we have used that and those. Now look at the examples. This pen is mine. We have already discussed this example. That house belongs to Raj. That house. Here this and in this sentence that, these are the demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those can be used as demonstrative pronouns also. Now see the difference between both demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjectives go with nouns. Here in this sentence, house is a noun. So this here is demonstrative adjective. And in this sentence, books. Books here is noun. So these here is adjective. So these are demonstrative adjectives. In this demonstrative pronouns always go with verbs. So here this is used as pronoun, means demonstrative pronoun, and in this sentence are is verb. So here these are used as, these is used as demonstrative pronoun. The fifth kind of adjective is interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is used to ask a question by using which, what, whose, etc. before a noun. Remember it, before a noun. Let us see the example. Interrogative adjective number 1. Which book is yours? Here which is used before noun, so it is adjective. Whose dog is that? Dog is noun here and whose before it, so it is adjective. What shape is that? Shape is noun here, and we have used it before noun, so it is interrogative adjective, means all are interrogative adjectives. But these are also used, means which, what, whose. These are used in interrogative pronoun also. Let us see here, which is your book. Here, if there is verb after which, whose, what, then it is pronoun, not adjective. Keep in mind, students, if there is noun after these words, then it is adjective, and if there is verb after these words, then it is pronoun. And in this sentence, whose is that dog? Here, whose dog is that, means after whose dog is there, means noun is there, and here whose is, here it is verb, so it is pronoun, not adjective. What is that shape? Here nouns are at the end, but here nouns are just after the adjective words, means which, whose or what. In sixth kind of adjective, possessive adjective. A possessive adjective shows possession or belongingness. My, your, their, these are possessive adjectives. Let us see the examples. Possessive adjective. First we will see this. In first sentence, this is my house. My is possessive adjective here. This is your pen, and in this sentence your is possessive adjective, because there is noun after these adjectives, means after my and after your. House is noun there and pen is noun there. But these words, means these are used as possessive pronouns also. Let us see here. This house is mine. This pen is yours. But look at here. Here nouns are used before verbs, and in this sentence nouns are used after verbs. So these are possessive adjectives and these are possessive pronouns. Students, don't get confused in adjectives and pronouns. Just remember, if it is used as adjective, whether it is demonstrative, whether it is interrogative, and whether it is possessive. If these are used as adjective, they follow the noun, means there is noun after these adjectives. And if these are used as pronoun, whether it is demonstrative or interrogative or possessive, there is verb after these words. I hope I was clear enough.